Hello. At this video I want to share Razer Huntsman Mini 60% gaming keyboard, fast keyboard switches, Clicky Optical switches. About this, faster than legacy mechanical switches, Razer Optical switches use light-based actuation, registering key presses at the speed of light, 30% shorter actuation distance than other clicky switches at 1.5 mm, with satisfying, clicky feedback. Ultimate personalization and gaming immersion with Razer Chroma. Fully syncs with popular games, Razer hardware, Philips Hue, and gear from 30 partners. Supports 16.8 million colors on individually backlit keys. Quality: aluminum construction, covered with a matte, aluminum top frame for increased structural integrity. You can get best price and discount for this item from link in description. Thanks for watching.